Hello, Nava. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, and you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. So, can I have some questions for you?
Obviously.
Yes, it's all about holiday.
Yes, I know that.
Okay. So, do you like holiday?
Obviously, I like holiday because it makes me recharged for next working days and I can spend my time with my family in the holidays.
Very good. So, what do you do on weekend?
Weekend holiday, yeah. On my weekend holiday in the morning, I go to my recitation and arts school in the morning, but in the afternoon, I want to explore new places and new foods in the home.
Okay, very good. So, where did you go for last holiday? Can you remember?
As much I can remember, that day was my cousin's birthday. That's why I went there, and that day was something different.
Okay. So, which public holiday do you like best?
I like all of the public holidays, but Eid al-Fitr I like most because I have said that I would like to explore new places and new foods. And in that day, my mother and father makes many foods, many kind of foods, and that's why I like this day most.
Do you think holiday is important for a student?
Yes, obviously, holiday is important for a student because a student can recharge herself or himself for next study days, and that's why I think the holiday is important for a student.
Okay. So, our public holiday, our weekly holiday is Friday.
Yes.
Okay. So, what are the major public holiday in our country?
Okay, in our country, the major public holidays are the 17th March, the birthday of Bangabandhu, and the National Children Day, and the 26th March, our Independence Day, the 21st February, our International Mother Language Day, and the 16th December, our Victory Day, and etc.
Okay. Thank you, Nava. Thanks for your nice delivery. Have a good day and good practice.
Welcome, sir.